just going to show you these structures. Okay? Is this the same or more or less same? Okay? No picture will be there in your exam. This model will be. Okay? This is the model of the same picture. This is part of the uterus. Okay? And here you can see this dark red color area is your placenta. Okay? This is in model is placenta. What can you identify in this? What are these?
The lines.
Okay? You can see these are the villi. Same area which is up. Can you see in this model? Clear? Okay. What is in between this red color? Intervillous spaces. Can you see these arteries? Spirals. So you can identify now clearly. If you go home and study this picture, it is same over. Okay. Coming towards after this. What is this? This is amnion. Okay, this is for the fetus, developing fetus to move around afterwards. What is this? This is embryo. This is embryo. What is this?
Yolk
Very good. It is yolk sac. This area which is surrounding this, we can see clearly in this model. Can you see this dotted area? This is particularly the extraembryonic coelom. This is extraembryonic coelom. Here this is yolk sac cavity. Yellow color, yolk sac cavity. Can you see this? Okay. In this portion of yolk sac, it is going towards the connecting stalk. It is going towards the connecting stalk. Vitelline duct. What it is called? Vitelline duct. When you go along the contents of umbilical cord, okay, in the early period, it is the part of umbilical cord, connecting stalk. And there is a line, 3 lines over here, where I am putting my finger. Can you see?
Yes.
One is yellow, is your endoderm. Then there is brown, this is mesoderm, and then pink color is your ectoderm. Okay? Just remember these 3 lines, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Yes?
Please can you show it in the, it's not clear for me.
Here it is not, because this is not the same model. This model is of more or less like this. Okay? Here what we'll ask you, same villi. Okay? Intervillous space. This is the fetal part of the placenta over here and the maternal part. Okay, how many parts of placenta? 2. Very good. Name them. What is the name of fetal part? What is the name of cornea? Cornea. Where is cornea in your body? Where is cornea in your body?
Eye.
Very good. Eye. Chorionic frondosum. What is the name of maternal part? Is called as Decidua basalis. And fetal part? Chorionic frondosum. Okay, how many parts of decidua? 3 parts, very good. What are the 3 parts of decidua? Basalis, capsularis and parietalis. Can anybody tell me where is parietalis, where is basalis, and what is capsularis? Yes.
the remain of uterus.
Parietalis is the remaining part of endometrium. What is decidua? Actually, decidua is the name given to endometrium of pregnancy. Endometrium of pregnancy is called as decidua. Okay, so the part of decidua, this is uterus. Okay, this is uterine cavity. Okay, and here is implanted embryo. Okay, and here you can see this portion with plug, and this is the placenta and villi. Okay, so decidua, which is over here, this is basilis. Decidua, which cover the other part of the placenta, is capsulus, and decidua or the remaining epithelium of the uterus is called parietalus. Okay, these are the three parts of decidua. So fetal and maternal part, I think it is going to be okay. Now coming towards the placenta actually. Let me take. This is how placenta look like. Okay, you can see, and attached through the umbilical cord. What attached to this end? What attached to it?
Fetus.
Fetus, not embryo. Okay, because this is fully developed umbilical cord, and after delivery, this is a model of placenta. Okay, let us see the original one. This is plastinated original placenta. Okay, this is the maternal part, and this shiny area, you can see, this shiny area is the fetal part, and this is going towards the umbilicus of the fetus, and this has been cut after delivery. What is purpose of this umbilical cord? Nutrition and oxygen supply to the developing early stage of embryo, then fetus, for the exchange of the material between mother and the fetus. Okay, so here you can see what is the size, 15 to 20 and 2-3 centimeter thick. So this you will all study. But here, can you identify what is this structure? Placenta. This shiny part is fetal part, and this is the maternal. So when the villi are embedded in the endometrium, okay, and the intravillous septa from the mother side, when going, they will divide the base of the placenta into different blocks. Can you see this?
Yes.
These are the blocks. Okay, this original, it is clear. One block is this, other is this. Okay, can you see these? These are called cotyledons. What they are called? Cotyledons. Okay, you have seen how cotyledons look like. How many blood vessels in a umbilical cord?
100.
How many blood vessels runs in a umbilical cord?
Three.
Very good. What are those three?
Two arteries.
Two arteries and one vein. Very good. So it is more or less like seen. Umbilical cord, two arteries and one vein, or one artery and two veins. Okay, what are these? These are the cotyledons. And here you can see on the outer surfaces, these are the blood vessels which are running. So there are two arteries. What arteries carry in this? Deoxygenated. Okay, arteries carry deoxygenated. Okay, arteries always are those tubes which carry blood away from the heart. Veins are those vessels which carry blood towards the heart. So, vein is carrying nutrition and oxygen rich blood from maternal side to the fetus. So, there is one vein. Initially, it was two, right and left. But left one remains, right obliterate. Okay, so the left vein enters through the umbilical cord, it goes towards the developing liver, because we all know that liver is a storage organ of the body. Everything, metabolism, all occurs in liver. So the blood which is coming from maternal side, it is going towards the liver, and some blood bypass and goes towards the inferior vena cava, which is developing inferior vena cava. Okay, so some blood directly go through vena cava to heart, some blood goes towards liver for the storage of glucose and everything. This, inshallah, when you do CVS, you will come to know the fetal circulation. Is this fetal circulation in your this block? There is any topic or something like this? No. Yes? Fetal circulation is there
No, I think
in the CVS block. Okay. So then you come to know how blood vessels are going to distribute blood in the developing fetus. Okay. So we'll do. So one vein and two arteries. So you can see two arteries and one vein. Vein is bringing blood towards the fetal side and artery is carrying outside. But here you can see clearly arteries two are of the blue color and one vein is of the red color. Okay, you can clearly see in this umbilical cord.
Doctor,
Yes.
the thing that has degenerated, the left one or the right one?
The left one will left, right one will degenerate. Okay, so we remember it is left as it is, right degenerate. Okay, so there were two, but you just memorize there is one vein. Okay, and two arteries. Arteries from where we all know that aorta divides into common iliac. Aorta divides into common iliac. From common iliac, these umbilical arteries are arising and enters into through the umbilicus, enters into the umbilical cord. Okay, but then finally they obliterate and form remnant structure we do in the fetal circulation. So this was all about the structure which we have were going to show you. This is again a model of a placenta. This is the fetal side, this is maternal side. You can see clearly the villi. Okay, these are the villi. These are the intervillous septum. These are the intervillous spaces, and these are the spiral arteries. Here you can see one large vein and the two arteries. Okay, so this is the part of the placenta. This can also come in as a model. So any question, only one question or maybe no question will be asked from. So these two are important, you can see. Okay, you can identify the placenta now clearly, and theoretically you go with the lecture of Dr. Nathit what it is. Anything else? Okay, thank you very much.